What is up, guys? It is another day, another vlog, but this vlog in particular is a very exciting and, like, I guess it should be a very positive vlog, unlike the other one. If you guys haven't already seen, I did get into, well, like, not an accident, but my front bumper was torn off on the freeway because there was an accident ahead, and I couldn't get out of the way to, I guess, not hit the objects and debris that was on the road. So as you guys can tell from my last video, I did show kind of like what ended up being the result of that, but if you guys couldn't tell, real quick, this is what she looks like. The grill's been messed up, but obviously it looked like it was on the ground getting dragged, and this whole piece for the bumper is missing, so I'm pretty sure that went on the, is on the freeway somewhere. But most likely I'm gonna take this emblem as the only thing that came out, decent and good shape. But other than that, it's pretty much toast. Luckily I did take off the fog light bulbs and a little bit of the plastic trim, so I still have that, so I could probably, I don't know, maybe sell it for a couple bucks. But other than that, either way, I don't need it no more, because if you guys haven't already known or tell, I got myself a new bumper, a new Varis bumper, which I'm very excited to install. So this is what she looks like. So for those who may or may not know, this is a Varis front bumper, but it's not the typical Varis front bumper you may have seen people install on their BRZ FRS 86. This one is the Varis Horizon 2 front bumper. I love the way that it looks, especially the vents over here on the sides. For those who were interested, I was interested in getting a 8.6 front bumper with the 326 like fog light cover. Thought it looked really cool, but this bumper comes in all in one piece, and it looks very aggressive. And what I love about the brand is that it already comes drilled holes and brackets, which I'm not sure how they're gonna really fit. If they fit really well, that'll be nice. But it looks like, comparing to my other bumper, they weren't able to pre-make the brackets here. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to do some drilling and like modifying it. But other than that, everything looks in good shape. Again, this bumper took me almost a year to get, which I am praying that, like, what happened to my old OEM bumper does not happen to this bumper, because I do not want to buy another one, and I do not want to wait for another one. So fingers crossed. Today I'm gonna install it. I'm gonna go to 2 car meets today. There's one nearby my local movie theater. It's my first time going there, so we'll see if there's like some cool cars. Sorry, there's like flies all coming around right now. But let me see. I'm gonna take you guys to one car meet with the bumper on, and then after that, depending on if I feel like it's secured and it's very durable it's very secured enough to be able to drive from Anaheim to Ontario, then I will most likely drive with it, because I do want to have this on and go to a car meet. But if not, if I feel like it's not really 100% sturdy, and like, I guess, like, I don't know how to explain it. I don't know the word right now, but basically it's not strong enough to hold the whole drive. I'm gonna take it off, because again, I'd rather be safe than sorry. So again, yeah, I also have the carbon fiber lip. You could get it fiberglass or carbon fiber, but I ended up deciding to go carbon fiber. Other than that, my 240, I'm kind of on a hold right now, because I fixed everything else. I fixed my pop-up headlights, my the seat belts, and then right now I'm debating about trying to fix the window switches, because it does not roll up and down. And other than that, maybe some taillights. But again, the taillights I want are Koki taillights or Type X taillights. And again, I know it's rare and it's not like common to be able to buy those, but it's like, I do not want to spend more than like my whole paycheck to buy a taillight, So especially if it's like in used condition, and like, it's one of those things where I think I'm forced to basically try to make my own custom taillights. I have my other I forgot what this piece is called, but it's basically a cover, and you can put like the lights behind it so it looks really clean and not like the dots from LEDs. But I was thinking about like maybe doing something like that onto it, making custom taillights. I don't know if I'm gonna fully go through with it or not. It just depends on, you know, if it's worth it, if it's worth, you know, going through all that work, or, you know, if I just spend some on, you know, a different kind of taillights. I'm gonna sit you guys down and I'm gonna unbox or unwrap this, and then hopefully see how the fitment looks on the car. All right. All right, so that's how she looks. So clean, so cool. Again, to me it was worth the money and the wait. But one of the things I just noticed right now when I was taking this off is this grill or this cover. I don't know if I'm really gonna use this or not. Like, this one's already coming off. I might keep this just in case, but most likely the front, and then I'll keep the front, but the little side vents, I think I'm just gonna basically just keep it just in case, but not run it. So I'm gonna put you guys somewhere that's really good spot and try to like fit it on my BRZ. My mom's car is kind of in the way, but it'll be fine. All right guys, so basically this is what she looks like on the car, which I think I can say in 100% confident, or confidently 100%. I don't know why I said it like that, but I can say 100% confidently that this bumper is the best bumper for this BRZ, or at least for the look I want. Super sick, super solid. I think she should be good. So obviously I have some zip ties to keep it secure, and I'm also not running the lip just because this shit looks already low, and if I put a lip to make it lower, it's gonna be crazy. I did it on both sides. The only thing I have an issue with is obviously the sides. I have to kind of like push it in more, or like kind of work my way, like body work. And then this gasket here too, it's kind of off. I think if I take it, it makes it look a little bit more cleaner. But oh my god, overall I'm so happy, and like every penny for this bumper was worth it for me. Again, I would really want to get some rollers on this because I think this shit looks badass on the road. But again, like, it's just me today, so it's kind of hard to, you know, be able to get rollers from, you know, the outside view. Yes sir. You guys know? Oh, you can't even tell. Gotta get my drink real quick. Two, one for me, one for my girlfriend. Yeah.